Welcome back to Mimi's Organic Eats. Today we're in the kitchen with John making blueberry pancakes for dogs. Start by mashing up one large very ripe banana with a fork in a large mixing bowl. Next, add in a quarter cup of melted coconut oil, 1 large egg, 1 teaspoon of honey, and a quarter cup of coconut milk. Whisk together until combined. Add in 95 grams of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of baking powder. Fold together with a spatula, and then last add in a quarter cup of fresh blueberries and fold together. Feel free to give your dog some blueberries as they help, as they have antioxidants and cancer-fighting properties. Plus, they're a sweet treat that your dog will absolutely love. Heat a skillet over low to medium heat and grease it well with coconut oil. Using a quarter cup, drop pancake batter onto the skillet. Wait for the top of the pancakes to start bubbling about 1 to 2 minutes, and then flip the pancake and cook until it's done, which will be about another 1 to 2 minutes. Repeat until all the batter is gone. John's favorite topping on these dog pancakes is plain Greek yogurt, but you can also do peanut butter, more blueberries, or other dog-safe fruits like apples or bananas. You can give your dog these pancakes as a treat, or you can break them up and add them on top of meals as a food topper. If you want more dog recipes just like this, be sure to hit that subscribe button and join us next time in the kitchen.